Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. This is all about ideas signing in, and viewers, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful beaded craft ideas for you guys. These are super incredible and very pretty ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are super amazing and very unique handmade beaded craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are super amazing and super unique. Beaded craft ideas for you guys. You guys also watch different other videos on my channel about craft like pebble craft, scratch design, sewing craft ideas, crochet sewing ideas, and I hope so you like these craft ideas. Hope so guys you all are doing well. These are very amazing and very unique and very pretty collection for you guys. So viewers, take care, always be happy, and remember me in your prayers. These are very amazing ideas and very incredible collection for you guys. For more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys, take care.